What are the marketing channels? Once you have selected the animals, you start milk production. Now the other important part is marketing of milk. So there are different channels from which you can sell your product. For example, milk. Say one channel is producer to consumer. So producer will produce the milk and sell direct to the customer. So there is no interperson is involved. And the other is, say you producer give the milk to the halwais and halwais further sell it to the consumer. So in this case some profits will go to the halwais. So 100% profits will not come to the producer. And other channel is producer to it goes to the milk vendors. Milk vendor collect from producer and milk vendor further pass on to the contractor and contractor pass on to the consumer. So in this case there are two intermediaries, milk vendor and contractor. So some profits will be taken by the milk vendor and contractor. So the producer share in consumer rupee will reduced. So you have to select that channel of milk where the intermediaries are less. For example, cooperative society. If you will sell the milk to the cooperative society, then it means there is no intermediary involved. You will get the payment on the basis of SNF and fat in the milk. And the important channel is if you sell the milk directly to the consumer or to the cooperative society or to the direct milk plant. So this will give you the more profits. You will fetch good price of your raw milk. This is the question of the raw milk. Now if you are producing milk and milk products, how to market these products? For this there is a principle of 4 P's of marketing. 4 P's means one is product, one is price, other is place and promotion. Product mix means what type of product you want to produce. You have to select the product. For example, you want to produce good quality pasteurized milk, curd, ghee, khova, lassi and other products, butter. So you have to select according to this is the skill of the entrepreneur, which product is to be select for manufacturing, which should have a demand in the market. And other is price of the product. What price is to be fixed for your product? So this is the capability of the entrepreneur. So the price of the products is normally determined with the supply and demand of the product. So other method is where you have to sell the product, means place. Which place is better for suitable to you to sell your product? You will get high profits, high price of the product. This is the capability, again capability of the entrepreneur. And regarding the promotion, so this is very important part of the marketing. How to do the promotion with less cost? If you will go for advertising in TV, so this is a costly process. And if you go for the paper advertisement, other advertisement, so cost is involved. But the best way is, if you want to launch a new product, you go to the Kisan Melas, you go to the Delhi Hut, you go to the trade fairs, where you will get different income groups customers, different age groups customers. You can display your product there and you can take the opinion of your product from the public, and there is less cost involved in this process. So these 4 P's are to be kept in mind while promotion of a product.